Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Outlook mobile app the right way. A lot of people look for a change password button inside the app, but Outlook doesn't actually offer that option. Instead, there's a simple method that forces the app to refresh your login details and prompt you for your new password immediately. To get started, open the Outlook app on your phone and tap your profile icon at the top left corner. Go to Settings and select the email account you want to update. Once you're inside the account settings, scroll all the way down until you see Reset Account. Tap it, confirm by tapping Yes, and let the app reset your account configuration. When that's done, close Outlook completely. Open it again and you'll be asked to enter your updated password because the old one no longer matches. Type in the new password and your account will sync normally again. And that's all you need to do. Super simple and effective. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.